Connie, anong ginagawa mo dito?
At ikaw?
It's not what you think, Iha.
I don't have to think, I can see.
We're just friends, right? Explain to her, Gary. We're just friends.
Oh, yeah?
Connie, wait! Connie!
Rita,
Coming?
alas 7 na.
Yes, coming.
Ikaw rin, baka mahuli ka.
How do I look?
Beautiful. Out of sight. Talikod, talikod, talikod.
Kit?
Yung zipper mo.
Oh! Cocktail party na yan. Kung hindi lamang yun, I could have stayed longer with you.
Have a good time.
By the way, yung poker room ng mister ko,
What's wrong?
malas eh. Ibig ko sana palitan mo yung drapes. Yung kulay, maybe red will do.
Sure.
Can you come over tomorrow?
I'll call you.
Oh, okay. Madali ang cocktail party, 1 or 2 drinks.
Uh-huh.
Pwede na akong mag-disappearing act.
Oh, yeah?
Can I come back tonight? Can we do it again?
Again? Jesus Christ, may bisita akong darating.
Oh.
Yeah.
A girl?
Yeah. No, I mean... Yeah.
Who?
Mother ko.
Oh. Time to go. Si Rhoda! My sister! Yeah.
Si Lota Delgado.
Yeah.
Mrs. Delgado?
Yeah.
Mrs. Smith?
Anong ginagawa niya
Jesus.
dito?
Kliyente ko. Baka magpapa-interior.
Tignan mo, Papa Charming pa. Oh, she's not supposed to see me here. I'll die.
Exit. Back door. Doon ka dumaan.
Back door?
Yeah.
I'm not a back door girl.
Doon, wag dito.
I came through the front door. Aalis ako sa front door din.
Paano to? Your sister.
My sister. Alright, doon ako upstairs.
Lota? Huh?
Are you alone?
No? Yes. Come in.
May sasabihin ako sa'yo. Mahirap para sa akin, pero nandito na ako eh.
Gusto mo sa ibang lugar na tayo mag-usap?
Oh, no. I have to tell you now.
Oh.
May asawa ko. Unfaithful siya sa akin. Okay lang. May anak ako na. Dalaga na. Siyempre, I don't want her to know. Pero kung di ko isipin to, it's gonna mess up our lives. Alam ko masasaktan ka. Pero, kalimutan mo na ako. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
Okay sa'yo?
Okay.
Are you sure?
Okay.
Oh, Gary. You're such a nice guy.
Really?
Thank you, Gary.
Mother?
Connie! Anong ginagawa mo dito?
At ikaw?
It's not what you think, Iha.
I don't have to think, I can see.
We're just friends, right? Explain to her, Gary. We're just friends.
Oh, yeah?
Connie! Wait! Connie!
Anong ginagawa ng anak ko dito?
We're just friends.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Hello?
Senyor Delgado?
Nakita ho namin si Mr. Delgado na lumabas sa bahay ni Gary.
Liwanagin mo nga sinabi mo, tonto.
Oo, kitang-kita ho namin.
Nakita mo si Mrs. Delgado. Hindi si Mr. Delgado.
Oo.
Matagal sila doon. Umiiyak nung lumabas. Ang misis ko naman, galit na galit ang lumabas.
Oo. Totoo.
Asawa ko, anak ko. Anong klase ang taong yan? Gusto yatang tuhugin lahat ng mga sa Metro Manila.
Ayos.